D.O.D prep?
No, I think I'll break him.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. If you didn't watch last week's episode, we were prepping for D.O.D, which is Drifters of December, hosted by Drift Nirvana in Summit Point, West Virginia. All the boys are prepping their cars. Jordy's power steering pump went last time we drove it, so he's got to replace it. Let's get to it.
Did I do it good?
Yeah.
Simple.
Look at that stance.
Jordy's the best. You got garlic
Got
knots.
his garlic nuts.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. We got lunch for tomorrow. Give us a little extra room.
Vacuum's going crazy.
So underneath the car. I don't know why we're still up here.
Yeah. And we're down below. Ooh, she pissing.
Got
it. She leaking. Got the new one? New? Quotations?
Quotations.
So, unfortunately, the power steering pumps are not the same. Nice. Well, on the hunt for a new one. Till then, see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
And we were back. Thanks to Alex for saving the day. Jordy got a new power steering pump.
Damn right.
You want to show them? Da, dee, da, dee, da, dee, da, dee, da, dee, da, dee, da. Woo!
Yeah,
The
brand
correct
new.
one. Jordy also got a helmet. Whip it out. Yeah. Ooh.
We got the whole crew on G-Force besides Jim. Nerd.
That's a size large. If you guys are wondering, Jordy's got a big head.
Know what they say? Big head.
Big brain.
Small.
Oh. Anyways, Jordy's gonna pull his car in. We're gonna get that started right away. He also put in his Sparko seat. I wasn't here for that, so unfortunately I didn't get to show you guys. So let's go check it out. Fancy. Jack that bitch up. Power steering part 2. You should be an expert by now, right?
This should be quick.
Keyword shoulda.
I'm just making sure the fitting fits before I cut it.
Squirt, squirt.
Spare diff.
Spare diff.
Spare diff.
Say that 3 times fast.
Hopefully we don't need it.
God damn.
That's crazy, dude.
Looking good.
Feels good.
Got your pump in?
It's glad you're late.
You like that?
It do be like that. It's okay. Tomorrow we're gonna do cam sensor, bleed your clutch. You're gonna get a fire extinguisher, right?
Have to.
Yeah. The last missing piece. See you guys tomorrow. Day 3. What you got going on, Jord?
I drill holes so I can mount this nice little bracket
For your fire extinguisher?
for the fire extinguisher. Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Easy in reach.
Get into
You can
it.
get to it. I can get to it. I don't know if I'm gonna change this or bring it with us to the track.
I would just bring it with us.
I think I'm just gonna bring it with us.
Sounds
Should
like
be
a
nice.
plan. Thankfully, Jordy worked out a deal with Spoon to do the rest of his
I just gotta do the oil change. I didn't say the rest of the shit. I still got tires to do. I still gotta probably gonna load up tonight. I still gotta do a boat check on the back of my car. And tires. Gotta do tires. If you're getting into drifting, you don't have to do tires.
Time to pump, 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 hold. What?
You get me a smaller wrench.
Hold. Hold check.
Break the rear beam. Jordy, these wheels.
Stock wheels appear to be nice and easy.
You know how to do it?
So you just throw it on.
Got a little bit up. Tire size inside or outside. The arm mini, don't forget the arm. keep this inside this bottom bead.
It just
Oh,
pops
tires,
up.
nice.
With fire. Clever.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Spoon's always saving the day. Spares are all done. Jordy's mounting the balance wheels on.
Can't wait for it to be over.
Last but not least, you guys ready?
No, I still gotta go home and do laundry.
We still gotta pack when we get home.
Yeah, no, it never stops.
Never.
It's alright, this is what we live for, right?
Cars are ready though, right?
I still gotta do a bolt check on the rear end of mine in the morning before I pull it off the lift.
I don't even know.
You gotta put gas in it.
Yeah, that's it.
I know what's wrong with it. Ending the video on this note, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for Drifters of December.